Hey Philippe, how are you doing?
Hi guys, how are you?
Doing
Good,
well,
good.
doing well. Did you get a haircut?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
did.
nice,
Nice.
nice. It's looking fresh, looking
Thank
fresh.
you.
How's things going
All
with
right.
oh yeah, sorry.
Sorry.
Go for it. I just wanted to know how things are going with the project from last week. I mean, I'm sure you guys are quite busy.
Yeah, sorry about that. I know that basically I have tons of updates from you that I still didn't go through. I have seen that some updates from last week that you mentioned that there was some slight decline, but I've checked it. It didn't seem like something serious, if I'm not mistaken. So I was we got, I think, reasonable normal amount of leads throughout the beginning of this week, and then so I think it went slightly up again. So I think it was just, at least my impression was, it's just a normal slight up and slight down, as usual. Um, I know that I have tons of stuff to do on our end from you, so this is on me, on us. Last week was a complete nightmare for us. We were launching a project with $30 million valuation, and
You,
it was just, we did not sleep, we didn't go through weekends or anything. So we launched it, and yeah, the clients made, we made a lot of money. We almost fucked it up, to be completely honest. So we were this close to losing about 30 million to someone, but we didn't. So it was something. Um, I was so tired by the end of the last week. I was thinking about honestly selling the business and just going for a couple of years to Thailand to something like that. But I didn't. And yeah, so we're still here. It's gone back to normal now. So what I'll do, I still have just tons of overdue tasks that I got from clients and from sales from last week, which I'm aiming to do today. And then I'm probably gonna. I know it's a bank holiday tomorrow, I think. So I'll just be catching up with everything that you were sending over tomorrow over the bank holiday. I'll send some comments. If you can just update me maybe on the progress with the link building, that would be great. I know it's in the tracker. I did not manage to open anything from your emails, to be completely honest, in the last couple of days. So this week is on us. We're not going to hold it against you. I know that there is just tons of tasks from your end. So yeah, sorry about that, but we're back in normal business now.
okay, great, awesome. Well, thank you for the honesty. I appreciate it. I'm glad to hear that everything went well with the project, even though it almost didn't. But
Yeah, it was
yeah, no,
close one.
yeah. So okay, cool. So I mean, that leads me on to my first question, which is how are things going on the implementation side of things? And from what I'm
Mhm,
getting from you, it's going to need
mhm.
to be reviewed tomorrow and then sent on to the dev team, if I'm correct.
I have shared everything with them. I've got tasks from the dev team as well, because the project basically that I was caught up in was a different team that was working on the website. So I've shared everything with them. I expect that they did it. I just need to double check myself, and I need to check your reports and everything. In this case, I was the bottleneck really, because I wasn't just. I got even some requests from the team to sign something off and put it to production. I know they were working on the. I know they were working on the. Uh, what is it? For the snippets, the thing, I don't remember what is it called, but they're working on that. I think I've noticed an email from Deepak as well. I haven't got back to him neither, but I will. And was there something from your end about the Google Business Profile optimization or not?
Yes, so I think if I'm correct, I'm sure we sent you some Google My Business profile recommendations.
Hmm.
That is something we can implement on our side, or for you guys to do on your side. That's entirely up to you. We don't mind. So how would you like to proceed with that? Do you think your team can do it, or would you like us to?
We can definitely do it. I think it's still with me. So if that's all right with you, once I get to it tomorrow, because I don't think I have any meetings or anything. Well, yes, that's gonna be a lovely day. So once I get to it tomorrow, I'm gonna go through all your emails, and I'm gonna task the team with what I can. And if that's all right with you, for example, with the business profile, if I see that it's gonna take us long, I'm just gonna ask you if you can help with that and give you access, if that makes sense.
Yeah, 100%. That works perfectly with us. If it's okay with you, maybe tomorrow, do you mind sending me an email, just giving me a little bit of an update with regards to everything you've had to catch up on and how things are
Yeah.
going and stuff? Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
I've
great.
got the different
Perfect.
threads from you. I've got it all noted down. So I'm just going to go one by one. I'm going to update you on everything, on the basically implementation, on the rollout to production, because we're definitely going to roll it out to production. Probably not everything, but most of it should be done. And I'm going to update you on the profile, and I'm going to check the tracker, and I'm going to check the email from Deepak. I just had no chance to do it. It was even over the weekend. We were still sorting it out. So this is kind of the first day when I have a little bit of time. I didn't want to cancel the meeting, even though I don't have anything of substance really to talk about, but I just didn't want to postpone again on you. So I think that's it basically from me. Just bear with me. Tomorrow you're gonna have my full attention, and I'm gonna sort out everything so we can keep moving forward.
Okay, amazing. Well, we appreciate you taking the time to speak with us today. I think I'd like to touch on two more things. You asked
Hmm.
about link building, and I can confirm that we have, I think it's I think it's 60 to 70 links for the month. I'll send you the report right after this. Can you
Hmm.
see, Gary?
Well, how many we have? Or
Yeah, how many? I know we've completed
I'm
it for
just
the
going
month
back.
of April. I'm just not sure about
Nine,
the exact number.
on the report, which is still a bit of a work in progress. We'll be sending it on the report. It's something like 92. But I'm not sure if that's a running total or if that's specifically for this. But 92 on the report. But once you receive the report, you'll have a clear number. But yeah,
Okay,
so
great.
something on that one, right now.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
if you can share
yeah,
the report with me, that'd be great. I'm gonna have a look again, and I'm gonna get back to it. I'm gonna get back to it tomorrow as well. So
okay,
it would
awesome.
be
Yeah.
lovely to have a look.
Yeah, no rush at all. And then the last thing I just wanted to touch on when you get to it tomorrow is the blogs that we've sent you. So if I could just get some feedback on that, if you think they're good and ready to be uploaded, then awesome. But if there's anything that needs to change, please do let us know when you get to that.
Right, I'll try to confirm it tomorrow as well. Sorry about that. It was
Yeah,
just a
yeah, no,
never-ending shit show last couple of days.
yeah, completely understandable. But yeah, I think that's about it from our side as well. Oh, one last thing I wanted to ask you about is I remember in our onboarding call, you mentioned that you'd only like to have meetings when they're necessary. So I wanted to know
Yeah.
because I see we have this weekly meeting ongoing now. I'm not sure how it became reoccurring, but I'd like to know what type of frequency you'd like to have meetings with us.
I think this is fine. I at least can ask some questions. So if that's fine with you, even though it doesn't need to be, usually it's not going to be half an hour, but this week, not too much. But I think once I get back to it, I'll probably have more questions in the upcoming meetings. I appreciate the reports from console as well. So I don't have to watch it on daily basis, which is driving me crazy. So I just rather leave it with you and get these reports. And yeah, but I think this frequency is fine.
Okay, great. Perfect. Well then,
Right. Good.
yeah,
Thanks
it's
for the
been great chatting with
update.
you.
I'll be in touch tomorrow with
Yeah.
everything that I.
Okay, amazing. Awesome. Have a great day and we'll catch up. Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you, guys. Take care.
Yeah.
Bye.